Hello everyone. With the various advanced LLMs, we are able to generate the text, we are able to classify, reason, everything. We are doing every possible task with the help of these large language models. But where are we taking into account, or what are the issues related to the ethical considerations when we are trying to work with these models? Let us look at some of the ethical considerations. These might not be the exact things which are harming or harmful. That could be one of the area which we need to concentrate on, right? So coming to the necessity of why do we need to talk about these ethical considerations, because these days we are using AI generative models in almost every possible activity. So in such cases, suppose the content that is generated by them is definitely subjected to some biases and fairness. This would be the one of the issues. So, for example, LLMs are trained on huge amounts of data, wherein the data can contain the gender information, the racial information, regional information. It might also contain the caste, religious information of every person, right? So, in such cases, if it is not taking care of the bias and the fairness of the data that is getting generated, consider the application of recruitment into an organization. If the biases of gender, race, caste, religion, such things are not taken care, the recruitment process might turn to be a biased one, right? See, I'm not claiming somebody is doing like this, but if the model that is doing the job of taking care of this data, if it doesn't generate proper data and if bias is included in the output, there are situations where the processes might go wrong, right? That is one such situation. Another one, misinformation and disinformation. These days we are seeing so many images are coming out, so many say for example, we are seeing AI generated images of people who are no more in this world, right? Physically they are not available, but still their latest pics as if they are just born or they have 20 years right now. So likewise we are seeing various images, and some people are getting attacked by the deep fakes also. So the data which is generated by LLMs might convey misinformation or disinformation also, because of various fake tests and misleading newses and fake reviews, deep fakes, etc. We are observing all these things, right? Then privacy and data security, because the large language models are trained on the data which is available on internet, they are just scraping the data from the internet which might contain personal information of a person. And what if the output generated by the model is unintentionally disclosing the personal information of somebody? Again, that is a violation to the privacy of somebody, right? So we need to take care of data security and privacy while generating the data. Intellectual property, where are we breaching the IPR, intellectual property rights? Say for example, somebody has written their research article, and now I have generated an article using the GPT models which is almost close to the article which is generated by somebody, and it is their research work, right? The text which I am generating right now is almost close to their work. What if I go and publish it first? That is one thing. Their research could be outdated because I am publishing it first. Or they wanted their research article to be a copyrighted one, but my data which I have generated is almost resembling their article. So I am violating almost all the copyright issues, right? So we need to take care of intellectual property rights also, not to generate the text which is very close to already published data. Not only copyright issues, sometimes are the research article or the articles which we write are tested for plagiarism, right? In such cases, what happens? They say your text is almost similar to that, your content is plagiarized. So we need to take care of intellectual property rights, wherein we are not falling into generate the content which is almost close to the content which is already generated. Lack of accountability and transparency. Majority of the times the LLMs work like black boxes, that's what they mention there, in the sense they don't exactly tell you how they arrive at that particular content. The content could be correct, the content is generated, you can very well use that. But can you tell me the exact process of how did we arrive at that particular output? May not be possible. We cannot exactly tell what happened inside in order to come to that particular output. So in such cases, how does it help us to come to some conclusion? Unless somebody tells me how did you arrive till there, there is very less chance for us to proceed with decision making process, right? So that could be one such problem. Economic and social impact, this is the other side of AI. It doesn't harm anyone, but it is harming the employability of human beings. Because AI is doing most of the works, why should they employ a person there, right? So just get an AI tool, do the work, no need to pay also, one-time investment, right? So it is trying to impact the social and economic status of human beings. Ethical use of AI in creative fields. So whenever you are trying to work with large language models in creative fields, it is trying to replace the artistic professions. It itself is generating creative content. So people may not feel the necessity of an artistic writer, right? So this is one more area where we need to address on. Safety and harmful outputs. Sometimes the content which is generated may not prove to be good for the societal reasons. It might be harmful, wherein it could generate a hate speech, it could generate a violence promoting material, etc., which might disrupt the peace prevailing in the society. So we need to take care of those message generations also. So to conclude, the large language models are doing every possible task. But when they are doing the task, how well do we take care of these ethical things is just a thought to be kept in while working with large language models. Thank you.